62 क्लास 10th साइंस फॉर द डेट 2 दिसंबर डिस्कस करेंगे। जैसा कि आपको पता है, एज यू नो दैट योर मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट लेसन इज गोइंग ऑन। सो इन दिस वर्कशीट विल डिस्कस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू करंट थ्रू ए सर्कुलर लूप। So you can see this is the circular loop, and when the current is passing through this circular loop, how the magnetic field develops we'll see. It can be represented by a concentric circles at every point. These are the actually concentric circles. That means you can measure this magnetic field at any point by these concentric circles, and remember that the direction of magnetic field and the current are perpendicular to each other. So that's why in 3D model you can easily understand. It's hard to see in the 2D model, but still you can imagine it. Circles become larger and larger as we move away. You can see this is the point where we are calculating. As we are moving from this, the circles are becoming larger and larger. Every point on wire carrying current would give rise to a magnetic field. So on any point, if you are finding this magnetic field, you can easily find with the help of a right hand thumb rule, and the direction of magnetic field inside the loop is same. So when we total magnetic field inside the loop will be same. You can see this is the center of the loop, and the direction at the center of the loop is same. That means if you remember the bar magnet also, if we see that the inside the loop, the direction of magnetic field will be from south to north. So likewise in a loop also, at the middle point it is behaving like a bar magnet only. Now let's see the factors which are affecting a magnetic field. First one is magnetic field is directly proportional to the current passing through the conductor. That means higher the current, higher will be the magnetic field. So I is higher than B, that means the magnetic field will be higher. And it is inversely proportional to the distance from the conductor. Suppose conductor is here, so if we are calculating magnetic field at this points, the magnetic field will be higher, and if we are calculating here, the magnetic field will be lower. So as we are going away from the conductor, the magnetic field decreases, and magnetic field is directly proportional to the number of turns. In the next slide we will learn about the solenoid. So more the number of turns, more will be the magnetic field. Magnetic field is additive in nature. That means magnetic field of one loop adds up to the magnetic field of another loop. हमेशा क्या होता है कि एक लूप से जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो दूसरे के साथ जुड़ती चली जाती है. सो इट्स इज कॉल्ड एज एडिटिव इन नेचर. Next is solenoid. What is solenoid? It is a coil of many circular turns insulated copper wire wrapped closely in a cylindrical form. You must have seen the spring. जो हमारे स्प्रिंग होती है पेन वगैरह में, उस तरह से हमने एक कॉपर वायर को इस तरह से क्लोजली सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म में रैप किया हुआ है. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ ए सोलोनॉइड इज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ बार मैग्नेट. यू कैन सी जस्ट दिस कॉइल इज देयर, बट इट इज बिहेविंग लाइक ए बार मैग्नेट, एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज यूनिफॉर्म इनसाइड द solenoid and represented by the parallel field lines. Inside it is going to be the parallel field lines. You have to remember this from this is south end and this is north end. So magnetic field is parallel inside the field lines. Direction of magnetic field outside the solenoid north to south, and inside the solenoid south to north. Solenoid can be used to magnetize a magnetic material like soft iron core. So if we take a base here of soft iron core, it will increase up to the magnetic field of a solenoid. Next is difference between electromagnet and permanent magnet. Electromagnet is a temporary magnet, so can be easily demagnetized. Permanent cannot be demagnetized. Its strength can be varied. We can increase and decrease the strength of electromagnet, but permanent strength is fixed. Its polarity can be reversed by changing the direction of current, but permanent magnet polarity cannot be changed. That means you cannot change the north and south pole in case of a permanent magnet. Generally electromagnets are strong, but these permanent magnets are weak. When we see the question answers, first question, what are the factors affecting magnetic field? We have seen that magnetic field are affected by current passing through the conductor. First point, it is from the distance from the conductor and number of turns in the coil. So these 3 points you have to write only. Third point is not necessary to write. Fourth point don't write. If you want to write, you can write up to here also. This fourth point. Magnetic field is additive in nature. Second is, consider a loop circular while lying in the plane of the table. Let the current passing through the loop clockwise. Apply the right hand rule. So the direction of magnetic field lines inside the loop will also be going into the table, while outside the loop they will be emerging from the table. As shown in the figure, you can see these are coming outwards and here they are going inwards. So you can draw this diagram also. It's a good diagram to understand this thing. Next is, what is electromagnet? It is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by electric current. Electromagnets usually consist of wire wound into a coil, and current through the wire creates a magnetic field, and the nail will start behaving like a magnet. You can see this nail will start behaving like a magnet, and this is an example of your electromagnet. So this is your answer number 3. What is solenoid? Where the magnetic field is uniform in solenoid. So this is the question number 4 answer. So coil of many circular turns of insulated wire wrapped closely in a cylindric form is known as solenoid. And second part, where the magnetic field is uniform inside the solenoid. So this is the second part answer. Question number 5th answer. Differentiate between electromagnet and permanent magnet. You can write easily. It is temporary magnet, so can be easily demagnetized, can not be easily demagnetized. Strength can be varied. Strength is fixed. Polarity can be reversed. It is cannot be reversed. It is strong. It is weak. So hope you like the explanation of the worksheet. Do like the channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching.